Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're going to unbox this helmet right here. It is coming from SEC. The model is the Revolt brand 2023, which is gray and white, and we'll do a quick review as well. I never had a good helmet before, having this range before, and let me see if it is something that I can appreciate, because my previous helmets are just actually around 2,000 pesos and below, and this one here, it costs like 3,000 something. So let's see if it is something that I can appreciate. Again, I never had a high-end helmet before. I would not say it is a high-end, probably it is just a beginner's helmet, but it is way better compared to my previous helmets. So let's go ahead and unbox it real quick, and then let's go ahead and see if it is something that I can appreciate. The seller was really accommodating. This sent it like from Manila, I think, over here in Mindanao. It's far away. I got this gloves right here, which is from actually Communic, but I bought it separately. Okay, so this is the helmet, which has a nice bag, and as far as I know, it has a free clear lens. That's the lens right there. So my mind says to open it later because I need to sleep, but my heart says to open it. And I think this is the spoiler. It is pocket tool. Not sure what this is. Let me open it real quick. Oh, I see. So these are, not sure what this is. Yeah, it's pocket tools, not sprocket tools. They're free, I think, from the seller. Thank you, seller. That's nice. It's nice to have. All right, let's put it back in, and of course, let's go ahead and open the helmet. I'm excited for this. Let's open it up. Take it out from the bag. So here's the helmet. All right, that's pretty nice. Okay. I like the visor here, which is actually kind of like a one-way glass, which is reflective. This is the air vent, I think. Yep, it is. We've got another air vent right here, and since it is a dual visor, we got another visor right here. Let's peel it off, put it back in, and then of course you can open it by just simply pressing this button right here. Visor, enter the visor, or the second visor on and off to this page right here. This is the large size. Let me try to put it on. This is a quick release one. What do you guys think? Alright, I think the size is just enough. Not so tight, not so loose. I think this is gonna be comfortable, but we'll see about that in our long-term use. And aside from that, they have this right here, mask. This is cool. This is free as well. So let's see. Yep, I need this mask right here. So let me go ahead and show you the glove that I bought separately. It is also large. This is from Communic. Let's see how this is going to fit me. Let's put it on. It's cool. I think it's nice. It has a smart tip right here. Also, you can touch your phone or any gadgets you have, any touch gadget, even if you have this gloves on. Yeah, I think it's cool. So I'm 5'7" tall, and this one here is also large, and I think it fits really well for me. Alright, I'm putting the left glove on as well. Alright, they're cool. Okay, so final thought about the helmet that we got here. I think it's nice. It's very comfortable. The size is, so far, I think is perfect for me. The only drawback I think that I have in this helmet is it's heavy. The helmet is pretty heavy, so I think that's the only problem I got in here. So what you can expect for 3,000 pesos. So that's it, and thanks you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks and peace.